It's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos, out here today with the homie Frank. Got his IS300 over here today, man. Gonna be switching out his fog lights. So we're working on his front end, got the new grill on there, but as y'all can see, these fog lights are super hazy and yellow. So we got another set over here that we sanded down and re-clear coated and everything. These are looking pretty good. Let me show y'all these. So, about to get those installed today, so stay tuned. Working on getting this bumper removed. Yep. And that's why these are super shitty. Oh, bumper comes right off. So I would tell y'all how to officially remove this, but we got ours zip tied up real good, so that's what I recommend to y'all at home. That boy getting all phone calls. All right guys, bumper's removed. Just taking out these two 10mm bolts right here. Something else.
This.
No, that's for the that's for leveling the light.
See anything on this side? See anything?
It's a little tab.
Dude, I'm so amped right now, bro.
Man, your car is just like making a transformation today. Kind of jealous. I wish we had about 5 more hours of daylight.
Right?
Knock my shit out real quick.
We're good.
You got 2 bolts over here that ain't doing shit.
These are ones that Larry did. These are.
Yeah, this is what these kind of look like when we first got them.
Yeah, they look just like this.
We sanded these down really good, put some 2K clear coat on there. And yeah, kind of before and after, these look super good. Do not use Rust-Oleum clear coat.
Do not.
It's fucking trash. You got all right, y'all, we got it all buttoned up. New fog lights are on. About to have Frank back up so you can take a look, see what it's looking like. This is what they look like with the ambers on. Yeah. Yeah, so fog lights looking pretty fresh. What you think, bro?
Super excited.
Hell yeah.
Happy about everything the way it turns out. The grill looks great. Front end looks way better. It comes together better. It's cleaner.
Yeah, we just redid your whole fucking front end.
Yeah.
New grill, restored fog lights. He got some new headlights this year. You know what I'm saying? New rain guards and shit. So
yeah, the rain guards
swag it out. What's up, y'all? So got everything installed on Frank's car. So over the last couple of days, we did the grill. You know what I'm saying? Put the decal on the back of his car. Got new rain guards. Put in the freshly restored fog lights. So about to go pull up at a car wash, meet up with one of the homies. Stay tuned. going on, bro? This motherfucker look good. Got the homie Chauncey just pulled up on us. Got both the ISs out.
Thinking, man, I'm like, maybe I'll get a 86 or something. 2J swap pad. I'm like, that's gonna cost me too much money.
Yeah, I mean, that'd be hard though.
Yeah, it'd be hard.
I want to Jay-Z swap my shit eventually
Yeah.
when my motor pop.
I was sure thinking that. I love the way the Toyota version of the Vios.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.